How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another maybe exciting episode of Fishing with DYang. I'm out here with my buddy Luke. It's been a minute since we've been fishing, but we're out here in Fox Lake, just having a good time. Literally today, no main focus, just coming out here, flip some jigs, throw some frogs, and just hang out with this dude because it's been a minute.
See what happens.
Oh yeah. So yeah, stay tuned and go ahead, man. First cast. Open the entrance. Need something louder. Yeah, nice. Oh, okay. That's the first start. Let's go. Got it all on video, buddy. Good stuff, man. Dang, okay. That's a nice one, dude. You need the net. Oh, that was a 3-pounder, dude. Dude, what kind of sissy hook sound was that, bro?
Made you kind of switch to be like, all right, I kind of want to fish for a little bit of everything.
I think because according to like my analytics, like my results from YouTube, a lot of people, they prefer multi. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh, it's a nice bass, dude. Ah, there you go. Switch. It's a nice bass. Not too bad.
Are we weighing that one?
Huh? Nah. Yeah, nice little 2-pounder. It's a male. Jeez. Jeez. Called it. That's a big one, dude. That's a big one, bro. You got a net? Let me help you out. That's a nice fish, bro. I got you. Bring it in. That's a big one. I think it's a 4, dude. Got you. Nice, bro. That's a good fish.
Baby.
That's
awesome.
a beautiful fish.
Nice, man.
Oh, let's go. We got 3-3.
Cool.
3, nice. Good fish, dude. I'll take it. Good job, bro. I wasn't recording, guys, but just caught a nice little blow up here. Fat largemouth. Pretty decent. And your eye is pretty much messed up, buddy. Oh, you stink, but it's a good stink. Oh, no. There he goes. Oh, jeez. Oh, what the heck? Random cast. I got a big one. Oh, shit. What's a random cast on the rocks? Oh, I'm still fixing my line. I got him. That's a nice fish, dude. Oh, I flipped him in, bro. Too late. That's a nice fish, bro. I said, screw it.
No, you're good.
Yeah, that's a nice fish, bro. Oh, yeah, they're definitely eating by the rocks, all right. There we go. Nice fish. Oh, it smells so good. All right, nice little 3.5-pounder right here, chunky guy. Release him. Good fight, dude. Dude, I got into swim bait fishing. Oh, got him. That's a bass. Oh, on the swim bait. Yo, it's a big one. Let's go. On a freaking swim bait, guys. Yeah. Look at that, just inhaled it. I was just telling Luke, man, I'm like, man, I started throwing swim baits since last year. Freaking fell in love with it. But today, let's see if we can donate some to some pikes, right? Look at that, 6-inch. Yeah, all this is good. It's a drop. It's not shallow. It's at least like 3 foot. 3 to 4.
Smallmouth in here?
No, it's not small. It's too shallow. It gets too warm.
My brother was like, yeah, bro, there's smallmouth in here.
No. The one in Illinois, yeah. Fuck. Got him. It's a nice bass, bro. That's a nice bass on a swim bait. Dude, look at that. Oh, we're just crushing them on swim baits today. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. Thank you, 30-pound fluoro. He's out here somewhere. What the heck are you doing way out here in the sun?
So weird.
I even waited to see if I felt anything and nada. There he is, there he is, there he is. You saw it? Got him.
Dude,
That's a nice bass. Yo, what the heck are you doing out here? Okay, chill. Oh, look at the color on this thing. Yeah, look at you, boy. All over your forehead. Look at the color.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's crazy. I've never seen a fish like that.
Nope, I haven't either. All right, good fish, man. Surprised me. Sheesh! I wasn't even recording either. I know, I wasn't recording, guys, but I caught this nice one too. It's easy, 3.5, I'd say. They spawn out female or male, I don't know. Oh, look at the tail. Look at it, that says a lot.
Yeah, oh yeah.
What a nice fish. Yeah, there you go. Boom. It's a good spot. Oh, you got him. Bro, set the hook, bro. I was like, bro, set the hook. You were watching it, huh? That's a big one, dude. Oh, that's a giant, bro. Let me help you out. It's a giant. You got him? Okay, good.
Yeah,
nice, dude. That's pushing 4, all right.
Yeah.
Dude didn't even notice he caught a fish. Huh? It's okay so far. Yeah. How about you guys?
We've been getting a couple.
Yeah?
Flipping docks too?
Yeah, just living docks and frogging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck.
Thanks, you too.
Just isolated patches out here too. Whoa, that's a nice one, dude. Keep him in. Keep your rod tip high, bro.
Oh, dude, that's perfect.
I got you. Right. Bring it to me. That's it. Nice, dude. That's a tank. Good fish. Whoa. Okay. Oh, big one. Swing him in. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Can you swing him?
That's probably a
Dude. All right, chill.
You're
Look at that.
now.
It's close.
He's got the head of it. You want to weigh him?
Dude, look at that. You and your
That's
freaking frog,
ridiculous,
bro. It didn't even
What
hook
the
him.
heck, bro? I didn't hook him.
Yeah, it's pretty skinny. Look at him.
Yeah, dude, that's
It's probably like 3-ish. We could weigh him though. Just keep track.
I just want an idea.
Yep. Yeah, definitely like a 3.
3.5.
Yeah, 3.5. It's just like the other guy.
It's just no freaking gut. He's got the damn head of a 4
Much, yep. Not even, bro. 2.9.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my
That's what I was telling you. I'm like,
God.
yeah, it's pretty skinny, but it's good fish, man. Yeah. Got him. That's a good fish. What's a... Aw, damn it. It's a freaking pike. Ah, that was a big fish. That's a nice pike too. Oh, okay. Why we always gotta double up, man? Look how you ate this thing. It's a good one?
Damn grass back.
Look at my guy. Yeah. Sheesh. I got it, don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Stupid fish. Alright, well, we're gonna take a little break here. Look to fishtails, get a drink. It is hell out here, guys. Hot as heck. Sheesh. Alright, let's go. Alright, Luke. So how's your first time here?
It's going great. Getting a lot of blow-ups, a lot of action, good quality fish. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, so we're still fishing. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Anyways, we're still fishing, guys. I think we figured them out. Undercuts. Stay tuned.
Yeah, this does look good.
Could just...
Let's fish like another 50 yards.
Yeah, it could be because it's a timing thing too. When they stop feeding, you know. If you want, oh, dude, you scared the crap out of me, bro. Was that a good one? Did you hook him?
No. I did, not very well.
Okay. Got him. That's a bass. That's a big one. That's a big one. Let's go!
Bro, not really.
Teamwork, teamwork, dude. That's a big one.
I'm actually happy as hell.
Luke missed it, right? Cast it back there. He didn't want it, so I flipped the jig in there and just smacked it. Look at this, guys. Holy smoke, it's a 4-pounder. That's a 4 for sure. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, I didn't think he was gonna hit it.
It's time to bend out these hooks.
I think he was gonna hit it, you know? I was like, nah, whatever.
Yeah, that's
Oh
awesome.
my gosh, look at that's a 4-pounder for sure. Look at that, guys. And my battery's about to die. Get some pictures and get a release. Yeah, it's good enough. All right, guys, get your release. Big one. That was funny. Woo! That's what people like to see. People like to see the funny part of the video. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh, dude, it's another nice fish. I think jig it is, bro. Yep. Yeah, that's another nice fish. We're finally on them, guys. Oh, they're in this back cut. Holy cow. Look at this. It's a nice 3-pounder again. They're so beat up though. All right, guys, you know, doing the Bailey bass fishing with my boy Luke. Catching 3.5-pounders all day. Oh, and there goes the release. See ya, dude. Got him. Nope. Yeah, I knew you were here somewhere, buddy. Oh, it's a fatty too. These are healthy bass.
In that ducky.
Yep. Alright guys, so that pretty much just wrap up the entire day here. I know we're all sweaty and nasty looking, burnt. We didn't look like this in the beginning, but now we do. We had a great time. It was amazing. Caught a ton of fish. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, but first time on the lake, he just straight murdered. It was amazing. It was awesome just watching fish. I didn't really focus on content at all today. Just straight up come here, record, have a good time, hang out with my good friend Luke here, and I couldn't have asked more. That was awesome. Woo!
Absolutely.
All right, so we'll be doing this again. It's hot. I'm trying to get in the car, so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. We got a long drive home.